What up, people? EG here with a K24 update. It's been a while since the last posted. I've been trying to gather some parts for the project. As you know, it's very, very expensive. But nonetheless, project is coming along, and we've got a nice little shipment with us. We've got, of course, some of the main essentials for the swap. I got here the insane shafts. Rated for 500 horsepower, so I should not have any issues with that for the time being. Also got myself a little Honda. It's not a V4 or V3, it's a V2. Again, project on a budget, but it is a PRB. It's got a base map on it. Once I get the motor dropped in, we'll go ahead and take it to the tuner and play with it a little bit. And then, of course, probably one of my favorite pieces of the whole swap is the Ktuned race spec billet shifter. Now, this thing is beyond amazing. It's some piece of engineering, to say the least. But it's very, very pretty, very, very shiny, and there's nothing but great reviews on it. And of course, with the plate mounting, it's also an amazing piece. Ridiculous. And it also comes with the hardware. So yeah, that's basically where we are now with some of the parts. Also got the conversion harness. The conversion harness is at the shop with the car getting put in. So we're gonna see when we can go by to the shop. The engine bay should be done. And yeah, other than that, we just need to drop in the motor. Need to get a harness, which I'm supposed to be meeting somebody today to get the harness. Hopefully that falls through and we'll be up and running very soon. So in the meantime, thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.